Hi lovelies, welcome back. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I cook this delicious beans and spaghetti jollof. And let's get started. In a pot of boiling water, add in your spaghetti, add some salt to it and give it a stir. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. 12 minutes now, the spaghetti is done cooking. Go ahead and drain out the water and run some tap water on it. This process helps to stop the cooking process, okay? Once done, set it aside. Next, in another pot, I added in some vegetable oil and red palm oil. You can use any of them if that is how you prefer. Allow to heat up. Once done, add in some salt to it. Add in the chopped onions and stir fry for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in your tomato paste. Mix until it is well combined and keep frying. Fry until the oil flows to the top of the sauce just like this. Once done, go ahead and season with some garlic powder, ginger and oregano. So next I added in the seasoning cube. Add some crayfish to it, add to your taste, add some pepper, adjust to your taste. Give it a stir. I added in some grilled mackerel fish. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Add in the cooked spaghetti. I have already cooked beans, so add everything in. Top it up with some vegetables. Mix until everything is well combined. Here I added some extra crayfish, but this is optional. Top it up with some spring onions. Once that is done, cover the pot for about 2 more minutes on a low heat. Exactly 2 minutes now. Stir gently and turn off the heat. It is done and ready. It is time to serve. Tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you try out this amazing recipe. You will love it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, follow the page, like, share and comment to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.